Hello and welcome, my fellow Squatchers and Squatchettes. Today we're going to talk about the forefathers of Bigfoot research, the pioneers who blazed the trails of wild speculation and empirical investigation to the hairy realm of Sasquatch. Without them, we wouldn't have the rich and varied folklore, literature, and science of Bigfoot that we enjoy today. So let's honor them by learning about their lives, stories, and legacies. The first person we should mention is J.W. Burns, a Canadian educator who coined the term Sasquatch in the 1920s, based on the native legends and sightings he collected from the Pacific Northwest. Burns believed that Sasquatch was a real physical animal that could be captured or studied, but also respected the cultural significance of the creature of the indigenous tribes who had known it for centuries. He paved the way for many researchers who would follow by creating a scientific and respectful framework for understanding Sasquatch. The second trailblazer is John Green, a journalist and author and researcher who wrote about Sasquatch for over 50 years. Green was fascinated by the eyewitness accounts and physical evidence he encountered and became one of the most respected and diligent investigators of Sasquatch. He amassed a vast collection of reports, photographs, and footprints, which he analyzed and published for several books. Green also founded the International Bigfoot Society, which aimed to promote the study and protection of Sasquatch and its habitat. Another important figure is Rene de Hinden, a Swiss-Canadian explorer and tracker who dedicated most of his life to searching for Sasquatch in the wilderness. De Hinden was renowned for his expertise in tracking and interpreting animal behavior and believed that Sasquatch was a type of human-like primate that lived in remote forests. He searched for Sasquatch all over Canada and the U.S. and even went to Nepal to investigate the Yeti. De Hinden was also known for his colorful personality and outspoken opinions, which made him a controversial but influential figure. Last but not least, we have Grover Krantz, a physical anthropologist and professor who integrated his scientific training into the study of Sasquatch. Krantz was one of the few mainstream scientists who took the possibility of an unknown primate seriously and applied his knowledge of anatomy, genetics, and paleontology to analyzing the purported evidence for Sasquatch. He argued that Sasquatch was a bipedal animal that diverged from the common ancestor of humans and apes, and even collected data on Sasquatch hair samples to test their DNA. Krantz passed away in 2002, but his legacy lives on as a reminder that Sasquatch research can be rigorous, empirical, and informative. These forefathers of Bigfoot research are just a few examples of the many individuals who have contributed to our understanding and appreciation of Sasquatch. They may have had different approaches, opinions, and successes, but they shared a common passion for seeking the truth in a mysterious and fascinating creature. Let's honor and learn from them and keep the spirit of adventure and inquiry alive in our Squatch hunts. Thank you for watching and stay squatchy.